Sprayed another coat of the stripper. What we used specifically was the Jasco spray stripper. It's a paint and epoxy removal. Pretty good stuff. I do trust it pretty well, but this was heavily layered on. I don't know why. Got some depot. Does it say?
I don't want to ruin the box.
Side lamp assembly. Finally got them open. Oh yeah, LEDs, baby. I'm enjoying it. I gotta walk away so I don't get copyrighted by that annoying song. So these are gonna look way, way better than having the amber on the side there. Plus they're an amber light, so still gonna have that side marker kind of style for the turn signals. Small little mods. I like the mail now because every single day we seem to have a new part that actually arrives. Use some red caliper paint in order to get it back to its original restoration. Now I don't know how smooth it is. It's a tow hook. It's not that big of a deal. Here it is. It's already red, but I'm not seeing any like crazy grooves or outlines. So if we do spray it, it should be all smooth. I got this like not so securely onto the tree branch, held on by some ribbon for packaging presents, but whatever. If you guys already haven't, I don't know if we went over this, but as far as Yossi's decision for the color scheme, we're gonna do black and white with red accents. We're gonna go for the red seats, go for the red calipers. We're gonna be doing the red tow hook, and a little bit of red and a little bit of everywhere. So, but not too much. We're not trying to do a white and red car, just little red accents here and there. Deciding if we're gonna actually take off the wheels and do the actual repaint job on them. I'm not sure if I want to do that yet, because if I do that, I'm also gonna do the calipers. Better job would be to start on the hood. We're gonna take off this emblem real quick, and then we can maybe either get a new one or...
Yeah, a new one.
Think it needs a new one?
Oh yeah.
That's pretty gross. The whole hood's gonna come down, and then we're going to make sure we taper off the sides so we don't run into the edges of the fenders, and sand this thing down to metal, and then be able to get it primed. Maybe see if we can get it done by the next vlog. It definitely won't be happening today. We're feeling a bit ambitious. Gonna do the hood, but I have to go get sandpaper for my orbital sander. I think we're gonna at least take off one side of the wheels, take them off, start stripping off the paint, and also maybe even start painting the calipers. Good morning to you too, baby girl. Feeling ambitious. Wheels, hood, tow hook, kidneys, and we got the side markers. Getting a lot done. We're still waiting for the guy to pick up the bumper, but at least we can get some stuff accomplished. Yossi busted out the pocket bike and was riding around a little bit, and then she gave me a turn to actually jump on it, which reminds me we still need to do drag race between the Razor dirt bike, which is in that garage, and the pocket bike. But right now we're gonna head to the store. Tow hook is spray painted and is no longer hanging. We decided to put it in the back, but you guys can see now a little bit of a nice touch on the back. We don't have the cover, so we might as well have a tow hook there. The bumper is no longer here. It's gone, it's sold. The guy just came and picked it up, so that's one thing gone and out of our way, and then we can work on the rest. Heading to Harbor Freight, I gotta pick up a few things in order to actually work on this car. Can't find my jack stands. They're somewhere packed in the garage, and I honestly do not feel like going through that entire assortment, so might as well have more jack stands. Never hurts. Oh God, woman, you annoy me. She made me think that we left the camera somewhere, even though I didn't take it out of the car. Jack stands and actually a bunch of other stuff. Whenever you go to Harbor Freight, you get more. These are the new tires. We'll show you these a little bit later when we get them mounted. First of all, I'm gonna actually get that seat installed, so I'm gonna need these bolts right here, and I'm gonna have to go get the welder, and then we will go ahead and put the seat onto Go-kart. I already did measurements. I gotta cut off that bar, make sure I make a strong platform, so I'm gonna cut 10 inches across and 10 as that just falls on the ground. I'm gonna weld it on, then we'll drill holes that will match up with this, and then we'll be able to put the seat on and mount it. We'll be able to take this thing for a ride. All done. This seat is way too big for this go-kart, but you know what? Whatever. I don't care. We good. I'm excited. So friends finally show up. So now we can actually do the drag race. We're gonna do the drag race between the electric bike and the motorbike to see if which one's faster.
I want electric.
So you're doing, it's a pocket bike. So do you know how small this thing is?
Yes.
Unfortunately with the cart, the chain came right off. So I gotta realign the engine, but hey, the seat's on. It's kind of comfy. We have to do this race. It's been 4 vlogs since we've actually done it. I'm gonna bust them all out. We're gonna see who's gonna win. All right, we're gonna see what happens. Oh! Whoa, okay. You almost died. How close was it? Like at the very beginning, was it like pretty dead even?
Yeah. Well, I was ahead.
Well, yeah, at the very end, we clearly saw that.
Oh my god, how am I supposed to
Oh, there we go. That was funny. Put one foot on, and once you start push off with that other foot, put the other one on. There you go. Oh, now she's winning. Let's see if I can one-hand this.
You can probably on your left hand.
Oh wait, we're meeting up there? This thing's got some giddy up to it.
Yeah, I know.
I'm a little surprised. Okay, so that looks so small with you.
My ass can't.
You look normal on this one, but that one's so small.
I know.
3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm losing. No! Damn it! I'm too slow for this thing. Damn, I lost. That was close for a second, and then you started pulling. That was close, and then it's like,
I'm like, oh, okay.
as soon as I heard the high rev kick on, and all of a sudden I was like, no, and you just fucking took off. Oh my god. What are you doing, woman? This thing's almost dead. Yeah, I'm turning it off now so you can't do that shit. This thing is sold though. It's supposed to be sold tomorrow, so this will be the last little bit of fun that we have with it. 800 watt upgrade, that was worth it. 6 has left and we are losing daylight, so I'm actually gonna get to sanding this hood down to the bare metal, and then we'll apply a primer, let that go overnight until we wait until the matching alpine white paint actually does come in, so we can actually paint match the hood, but at least it'll be primed, no rust will be able to get onto it, and we'll be good to go at that point. I'm not gonna worry about the bottom, because the bottom's dirty anyways. We just want to make sure we redo the top. We'll probably get to the wheels and stuff in another day. I do have caliper paint and I've got some jack stands. This is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to work on that first. Losing all my daylight, so now it's dark out. I don't know if you guys can even see me right now. So this is how far I was able to actually sand. I was able to get kind of this quarter panel. I found out there's Bondo, which might be from the accident. I don't really know. I thought they got a new hood. So we found Bondo. We're gonna have to level that out. Might actually want to swap out the hoods. I'm not exactly sure at this point. I laid down a tarp underneath this because it is raining, sprinkling a little bit, as you guys can probably see the wet window. What's on here right now is actually paint stripper, so it's already bubbling. Hopefully by the morning this will all be bubbled up and we can just scrape it off with a scraper, and then we can get to actually priming
tomorrow.
I'm curious how this is gonna look. It looks like you're probably gonna have some rust. Oh, not too bad.
No.
A cat is going to mess you up.
Come here.
Yeah, the little chihuahua's not gonna make it against that
Come here,
orange cat.
princess.
Yeah, for the most part, it's pretty good. I think I'm able to scrape off the rest of this. Looks like I did take off some of the Bondo. Yeah, I left a little bit of rust, which we'll be able to sand off here in a second. What just arrived in the mail, though, is going to be the headlights for the front end. So the front end just needs the bumper. We will be repainting and at least get that primed. I think we can get that primed today and these headlights in. Yeah, those are fresh, brand new. I like that. Now all we need to do is get some halos for those lights. I don't think. I'm gonna grab a scraper and scrape all of this off real quick. I'll sand it off. There's a few other places where there's actually Bondo underneath it, but I'm gonna call this good. I'm actually gonna do some priming real quick. Then we can start painting as soon as that spray paint actually does show up that's matching for the alpine white. And that looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna try and pull this off, guys. I don't know what you guys think. I've never rattle canned a car before, because who would rattle can a car? I think I'm gonna be able to make this work out. Taking my time with it. This thing is actually gonna turn out really good. It is level. There's no high points which is a huge deal. I was able to even get some of the areas of the Bondo just perfectly flat. I'm liking the way this is going so far. I think tomorrow we're gonna install the headlights and we're going to tackle a couple other things that did come in the mail. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We'll get to the hood. Hopefully we'll get the paint soon. I will see you guys later in the next video. I love you. Peace out. Bye.